Alright everyone, I put up a sticker on my Instagram story telling you guys to ask me questions. Here's the thing, I got a lot of responses, but they were all from my friends just telling me stupid stuff. They weren't actually questions. So I only have a few like serious questions that I'm actually going to include in the video. I'm going to kind of go a little bit in depth with them. First question is, what's the best thing about pole vaulting? You know, there's a lot of cool things about pole vaulting. It's just like being able to fly over a bar with a stick is so cool, and it's not something that, you know, anybody can do. It takes a lot of practice, and it's also just kind of a rare thing to like meet another pole vaulter. Also, I really like saying I'm a part of the track and field team and being like, oh yeah, I'm a pole vaulter, because then that always sparks up conversation of people asking me stuff. I always love saying that I'm a pole vaulter. Next question. This is kind of like a joke, but at the same time I'm gonna answer it. It says, how did you get such a cool violinist to collab with you? So the thing is, you just gotta talk to people. If you want to collaborate with people, anybody, even if you want to become their friend or something like that, just talk to them. Go up and talk to them, because people want conversation. Like everyone just wants people to start a conversation with them. There aren't really any instances where you just want to be alone for the rest of your life. Eventually, sometime, somebody's going to want to have a conversation started with them. So just go up and talk to them. It's not that hard, and it's just a good thing to know how to do. The other questions were like, I don't know, just saying stupid things. I'm not even gonna go into it. There's a TBH in there. I'm not answering those. I don't do this unless if I purposely ask them. The last thing I'm gonna record for today isn't gonna be anything really. It's gonna be some content with Michael, Ella, and Jensen. All right, I'll see you guys in a second, and we'll be with the three other people. Let's get down there. All right, hey everyone, what's up? We're gonna do a YouTube challenge. I've never done one of these before. We're gonna play a game called Heads Up.
There you go.
3, 2, 1.
You
They eat bananas.
Yeah.
Monkeys.
Yes.
That's the only way I get that.
It's like a how?
Kind of thing, except it's like a dog. Yes.
Oh, these are really annoying. They're tiny.
They fly around the room.
Gnats?
Yes.
Yes.
It's like a sheep, but it's tiny.
A small sheep.
Lamb?
Yep.
They're really gross.
It's not a rat.
It's not a rat,
it's
but
nicer than a rat.
Mouse?
Yeah.
It's a tiny monkey.
Yeah, really.
Big.
Yeah.
Chimpanzee?
Yes.
Yeah.
How did you get that?
I wouldn't have guessed that.
Komodo
Out
dragon.
here, we see them on the
Mom
ground
almost
out there.
stepped on
Komodo dragon.
Lizard?
Yes. Is that a lizard? I don't know if it is.
Oh,
They're
it's
in
in
the
the
Christmas
12 days
song.
of Christmas. And
a-
in a pear tree.
And something in a pear tree.
Turtle doves?
It's a bird.
Or
It's a bird.
doves?
No.
Pigeons?
It's a
No.
Oh no.
Time's up.
partridge.
Partridge in a partridge
What? I didn't know that was a bird.
pear tree. I didn't know that. I don't know what a partridge is either.
He has 7.
Just
Yeah,
say
7?
Oh.
That was a really good one though. Oh, these are your
Spirit
favorite
monkeys.
monkeys.
Last
Ladybugs.
night.
No, they're on the
There.
beach.
Oh, crabs.
Yeah. They shock you and they swim underwater.
It's a snake in the water.
X-ray. Oh.
No. They're like kind of like a snake almost, like a
And eel.
yes.
I said X-ray.
Go down again.
It's like a
Flightless, huge bird.
And
Really
they,
long neck.
They lay really big eggs and they like peck at you. They,
An
like,
osh.
Yes, really fast. Yeah, there you go.
Type of
These are-
lizard.
Yeah.
Kind of the one that we saw up there.
Small.
It's tiny. It's almost like the lizard
No
that
idea.
Mom stepped on.
I'm skipping it.
Oh man.
It runs really fast.
And you ride on these.
Dang.
You ride on these. Yeah.
It's really spiky.
The only thing
It
that's
like
touch.
shoots needles.
Yeah. Yes.
5 seconds.
Pretty
You see
feathers
them
on the
at the
back.
Fort Wayne Zoo and they wander around. It's time. There's a peacock.
I found the turkey.
Oh, turkey. Oh
I
man.
got 5.
Not too bad. You
They
just
have
said
a trunk.
this.
It has a big
Yes.
They bite you.
They're really annoying.
little and annoying. Everyone hates them.
And
They carry
suck blood.
cholera.
They suck blood because they don't.
Mosquito.
Yes.
That's your thinking.
It's a
It's
type
a
of
monkey.
monkey. It's a huge one.
At the zoo.
Orangutan.
Yes,
yes,
yes.
It's another type of snake.
Oh, and it's the one that has
I
its
said it earlier.
Cobra.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh man. You are this. You're one of these. You are
a different name
Yes,
for it.
yes.
Is, yeah.
They're really
it's
little.
Small rodents.
It's kind of like a
Brad?
gerbil.
Yeah.
Oh.
Except another thing.
Brad had one and it died.
Oh, a hamster?
Yes.
They can fly.
Monarch.
And they're pretty.
Butterfly.
Yeah, that was probably too easy.
They sting you through
Dory.
the ocean.
It would have been in the ocean.
Jellyfish.
Yes.
Oh, you got 5
They
seconds.
jump, they jump and they're annoying.
And they're green.
It's in the grass and it's a bug.
Grasshopper. Yeah,
Nope.
time's up. That was good.
8.
She got 8
8?
guys. Oh my
Those were
gosh.
easy. They fly and they're
this one
dark.
called-
Nocturnal.
They hang upside down. They hang upside down.
bat.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh,
these are now.
it's like an aggressive wasp.
Oh, hornet?
Yeah. Oh, they went
They're
extinct and it's on Ice Age.
I don't know what
mammoth.
that is.
No. It's a.
It's a little.
Pterodactyl.
It flies. It's white with like a colorful beak.
Oh, it's a type of deer, but it's
it
in
looks like
Canada.
a moose, but it's a tiny one.
An
It's-
elk?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
3 limbs.
They're
Oh,
really
they,
slow.
They would have been out there, but they're not.
Really slow.
And they're kind of big, and they
And
got
has a
4.
shell.
Big shell.
Crab?
No.
No.
And
You got 5 seconds here.
Some people have these as pets.
Hermit crab?
No.
A turtle.
Turtle! Oh, I feel so stupid. Oh, how many did I get? I got 3. That was so bad.
Watch
these
this.
all the time.
Yes, they're like
I have a ton of
I'm a
movies.
something girl in a world.
Barbie.
Yes. I do these sometimes too. Yes. Yes. That. What is that?
What is it?
What is that called?
I don't know. Riding on a back?
No.
my
What's that
gosh.
term called?
Saddle?
No.
I showed these when the
Okay.
4-H.
Okay, skip it.
That's
Oink,
piggyback
oink.
ride. Oh, your dad wears these. They're blue and they're long.
Jeans?
Yes.
Oh, this movie is
There
so good.
is
There's
Sully.
One
and-
eye. One eye, guys.
Oh,
Yeah.
Monsters Inc.
Yes.
Oh, I said this movie so good. Another movie.
There's Belle.
There's
There's a rose.
monster
A
that
rose
changes
that-
into a human dude.
Beauty and the Beast.
Yes. These
fall
fallen
from
on
trees.
Yeah, they're all.
Leaves.
A monkey
Monkey's
eat them.
Eepies.
Bananas.
Yes.
You got
Count it.
Count it.
Time's up.
How many do you have?
This is a band, and it's also Chugga Chugga Choo Choo.
Thomas, the
You're singing.
Train, is that right?
Yes. It's a python.
It's not an eel,
But it's like just in gen-
on land.
Yes, there you go.
Breathing.
What are you doing?
Exhale, sniffing.
Instead of breathing through here,
You're
what
gonna-
do you do with this?
It's a sense.
And then something smells
With
nice.
your nose. What do you do with your nose? What sense do you do with your nose?
Smell.
There you
Yeah.
go. Middle.
It's not breakfast or supper, it's in the middle.
Lunch.
You put this on your lip.
Chapstick.
Nope.
Lip balm.
You get it.
Lipstick.
I already said.
It makes them shiny. It's like clear.
Gloss.
Yes.
They went up a hill to get Pasture Hill
And it's a
Hill of
water
Water.
movie.
Went up the hill.
Jack
Pasture Hill. There you go.
What is that?
Michael burnt the popcorn in this.
Time's up. Oh man, that's good.
Jack and Jill is such a bad movie.
Wait, isn't that like a
It's a
horror?
Smell one confused me.
A
Smell.
horror movie? It has Adam Sandler.
I didn't know what it was.
What is that thing right there?
Inside of it.
Inside the
balm.
twisted.
Yes.
Yes.
You
What's
eat this in the morning.
First meal of the
First
day.
meal of the day.
Breakfast.
Yes. I'm one of these.
Mrs. Rao, Mrs. Plant, Mrs. Newberry.
I
Mr.
am
Rose.
the-
I know you
Whatever.
are.
Teacher.
Yes.
Yes.
We used to play with
He's-
these. We
he's
played
the-
with these
he's
in the
blue.
living room.
He's the blue one on the.
And they go chugga chugga choo choo.
Train.
What kind? What's
Thomas
his
the Train.
name? There you go.
Yeah.
On the America's Got
He's on
Talent.
America's Got Talent.
He's
He's,
the cool-
all the way on the
he's
right,
mean-
and
he's
then
the
he's
meaner
the
one.
mean
Simon Cowell.
There
Yeah.
you go. Shoots
He
webs.
shoots webs out of his hand.
Spider-Man.
Yes, that was easy.
What is the ocean that's on the east coast of America?
Skip it.
How do you?
It's not pop.
Root beer.
Time's up.
It was soda.
Soda.
I was gonna say that.
You
but-
should have called it pop then.
As a not hot, but
How do you not know the ocean to the east
I
coast?
don't know that.
I don't know
Oh,
that.
just we put banana.
Y'all have no geography.
Six.
What is the ocean to our west coast?
You think I know
Oh
that?
my goodness.
I didn't even know this.
You ready to bed?
Pajamas.
Yes. They quack.
Duck.
Yes. You call on these.
What's the thing that
telephone?
you-
Yes.
There you go.
They're striped.
Go on.
And they're in like
It's
the
not,
jungle and
it's not
stuff.
a lion.
But it's
Oh wait, not zebra, but they have stripes. Tiger.
yes.
Carnivore.
Word that was one of the games
Wait.
that was on the entertainment thing, and you like make words with it.
Oh, Scrabble.
Yes. You build with these little
Legos.
kids and stuff. Yes.
Oh wow.
Michael
I
Burton.
burnt
Michael
them.
burnt this.
His back.
No.
Like literally.
Popcorn.
It's on the.
It's
on
the
cars.
red car.
It's a movie
Cars.
too.
From Ferrari.
In the Cars movie, the animated one,
Oh.
it's the red one.
Oh, Lightning McQueen.
Yes.
What?
Oh, Harry Potter.
Oh.
The orange hair.
No clue. I don't know Harry Potter.
Okay, time up.
All right, how many did I get? I think I did pretty good on that one.
Ferrari.
I got 8 on that one. That was pretty good. That one was fun actually. That was better. We're going jet skiing.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. We've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
Play me down, Zeus. You don't have the ball.
I'm falling, the cityscape by night. Wanna catch in my photos where you go. Every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Feels a year away. Like the second
Oh my gosh. Alright. Wait, so where? See that white thing right there? That white house. Alright, ready, set, go.
Gonna bring it home to me again. The world is
Michael's so
waiting
fast.
up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Oh. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
Oh, bye, Jensen. I'll probably just leave my stuff here if that's okay. I'll just come get it. I'll come get it. Yeah, I'll come over sometime. Alright, guys, thank you so much for letting me come along. That was awesome for sure. I'm back. I really liked Florida. It was awesome, but it's about time for me to get back home and get back to my original schedule and all that. But anyways, thank you for watching this YouTube video. Hopefully you watched part 1 as well. I'm assuming if you're here, you've already watched both parts. Right now I'm including a highlight reel of unseen footage and just some of my favorite parts during the trip. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the future.
I'd like a little bit too. How's bro?
Michael.
It's cold now. No.
What's the after?
Oh, it's something that happens with your eyes.
It like makes everything like swirly.
Yeah,
swirly,
it's
swirly.
everything's swirly.
That's what I thought.
Ella has
And-
one named Jerry.
Elephant?
No, what? No, it's
I'm gonna say to eat.
I don't know how. Small.
You have two of them. Or kind of, but
Yeah,
the little one.
smaller. Firstborn.
Oh my god.
It's a
Adult
small
horse.
horse.
What is a small horse?
You almost had it.
Oh, it's
Four letters.
You had it. You started to say it.
I didn't even know what I was about to say.
Oh my god.
They on trees and they're really annoying.
Oh, I'm with that.
Yeah.
I guess you get it.
Oh, I said this earlier too.
It's not. It's like a really ugly
You kill them with
snail.
salt.
Yeah, salt.
It's
Bonus.
It's an ugly snail,
And they move really slow.
and it's 4 letters.
Ace.
What is it? Big green guy. Oh, I am mad. I am